Hello everyone, and today I'll be doing an experiment of making a lung module which is assigned by my science teacher Pon Zalia. So for this experiment we will need a plastic bottle, a small bottle will do, balloon, a marker pen but not mandatory, not compulsory, straws, scissors, cutter, and we have glue sticks. And by the way, the glue gun is over there charging. We will need it afterwards. And I have some instructional video here, instructional step here in case if something fails or so. The first step for this experiment of making this lung module is to cut this bottle into half. I'll just take off this bottle cap and keep it here. So I'll be cutting this here, so be careful when you're cutting. See, I will just mark here if needed. Okay, so it'll be easier for me to as you can see, I am cutting it in a circular way. Alright, so now as you can see it's a bit irregular. I'll just use my scissors to make it even and a bit smooth, the surface part. I think it's smooth enough to make it. Now I will just, okay, done. Second step is, okay, so for this time this is done, so we'll just keep it aside. Now the next step is actually we're gonna put this thing, we're gonna put the straws in here, right? So we'll have to make a hole. So I guess I'll use one of my straws here, marking it out of where. Okay, it's marked, and keep it back in. So alright, I've inserted slowly. The material is quite hard, so you might have difficulties to cut. So you may take help of an adult to help you in this stage. Okay. Slowly it's coming out. Oh my god. It is a tough part, so alright. As you can see, I'm struggling here to actually make a hole out of it. Alright, just cut it. Okay, it's almost done. As you can see, created a bit hole. It's not so even, but it's not so smooth. But let's see if this can go in. Yes, it can go in, and many people can think that the air might go inside by here. We will use the glue gun to just block it so the air won't go inside. Alright, so since we already have this, now we take one straw, cut it into one part, and then you measure the same part, cut it, measure the same part and cut it. Okay. Now you have this much, and just to give you an idea, this will be representing the bronchus or bronchi, or whichever you call. And let's just look at the steps if nothing goes wrong. Okay, now after making the hole, so they're saying to measure if this two matches like this. Yep, it does. So what happened is, to go inside together, we will have to make a small curve like this. So if you have these kind of straw, you will have like the green part to show you where is the curve. Other than that, just make your scissors a bit slanted. Cut it. As you can see, there's a bit slanted. It's a bit slanted. Do the same to the other straw. Alright. And then you have these two over here. So as you can see, these two can go inside like this. It creates like an arrow to see. And then what do they do? Okay, so they keep a little bit of space in between, so we can insert the other straw in between. Hopefully my glue gun is fine. Right, let's try it now.